Hi foodies, welcome to Aisha's kitchen. Today I am back with one more interesting recipe, that is the doklas. But this recipe of mine is not like the rest other dokla recipes. This is something unique. Hope you all will love this recipe. For many more exciting recipes like this, stay tuned to Aisha's kitchen. Now let's get started. First, let me tell you the ingredients that we need for making our dokla batter. Here, I have taken 1 bowl of chana dal, Bengal gram, which is also known as Bengal gram. Here, I have taken 1 bowl of rice and 1 bowl of urad dal. I'll be taking half cup of curd, fresh curd, 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of soda and salt as per taste. We have to soak all these three, rice, chana dal and urad dal, for 5 to 6 hours. After soaking these three for 5 to 6 hours, we have to make the batter out of it. We have to grind these three and make a batter which is similar to idli batter. After making the batter, I'll be telling what all to be added to it. Here our batter is now ready. I have soaked those dals and rice for 4 to 5 hours and then made a batter of it. While grinding it, I have added curd to it. Now I'll be adding sugar to it. And pinch of turmeric powder. And salt. We'll mix it well and leave this batter to rest for about 5 to 6 hours and then we'll prepare our doklas. Once after resting the batter for 4 to 5 hours, now our dokla batter is ready. While preparing the dokla, we have to add soda to it. Soda, baking soda, which I have taken half a teaspoon of baking soda. We have to add. Make sure that you are adding it only while doing the doklas and not before it. Mix it well. Now we'll grease a pan with oil and then add our dokla batter to it. Make sure you grease the pan very well with the oil. Once after greasing the pan with oil, I'll be adding the batter to it. Make sure that the batter is not completely filled in the vessel. You have to just fill half of the vessel or half the pan with the batter so that our doklas will fluff up. Here in the cooker, I have taken 1 glass of water and kept the stand in it. Now I'll be placing this dokla batter. It'll take about 15 to 20 minutes for our doklas to get ready. We'll close the lid. Make sure that you're not keeping the whistle. We're taking this whistle out and then baking it for 15 to 20 minutes. For tadka, we'll take chilies, green chilies, 5 to 6 green chilies, mustard seeds, fresh curry leaves and oil. For the tadka, I have heated 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil here. To this, we'll be adding mustard seeds. Once the mustard starts to pop, we'll be adding our curry leaves to it. We'll also add our green chilies and fry this and prepare a spicy hot tempering for the topping for our doklas. Our hot fluffy dokla is now ready. You can see how fluffy this is become. Now let us take it out in a plate. Wow, you can just see how beautifully our dokla is ready now. Now let's cut our doklas. You can cut them in any shape which you wish to. I'm cutting here. I have plated our doklas. You can see how soft they are. Here we will top it. Looks yummy, right? To this we'll be adding our curry leaves. And then we'll be serving with the fried chilies. I've added salt to it. Yeah, the doklas are now ready. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. For many more recipes, do subscribe to Aishu's Kitchen and support me. Love you all. Bye. Take care.